In today's video, we'll uncover the truth behind DeepSeek AI, how it works, and whether it's better than ChatGPT. So stay till the end, because what you're about to learn will blow your mind. Imagine a search engine that doesn't just show links, but gives direct answers with deep analysis. That's exactly what DeepSeek AI does. Lightbulb developed by Chinese AI researchers, DeepSeek AI is designed to understand complex questions, analyze vast amounts of data, and provide highly accurate answers. It's not just an ordinary chatbot, it's an advanced AI-powered search assistant. High-voltage key features of DeepSeek AI, white heavy checkmark AI-powered search engine, no need to browse hundreds of links. White heavy checkmark real-time web search, unlike ChatGPT, it provides live information. White heavy checkmark multilingual support, you can ask questions in English, Urdu, Chinese, and more. White heavy checkmark deep analysis and summaries, no need to read long articles. Robot face ChatGPT loses. Limited to pre-trained data. Bar chart loudspeaker 2. Creativity and writing skills memo ChatGPT wins. Better at writing stories, essays, and scripts. Magnifying glass tilted left DeepSeek AI loses. Focused more on factual accuracy. Robot face ChatGPT loses. Limited to pre-trained data. Bar chart loudspeaker 2. Creativity and writing skills memo ChatGPT wins. Better at writing stories, essays, and scripts. Magnifying glass tilted left DeepSeek AI loses. Focused more on factual accuracy. Artificial intelligence is changing the world. From ChatGPT to Google's Gemini. But have you heard about DeepSeek AI? A powerful AI search engine that is creating a storm in the world of technology. Rakete. Narrator, comparison mode, light music in background. Alright, let's compare. DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT. Bar chart loudspeaker 1. Accuracy and up-to-date information rocket DeepSeek AI wins. Because it searches the real-time web. Programming and coding laptop computer ChatGPT wins. Strong at coding and debugging. Desktop computer DeepSeek AI is limited.
Säulendiagramm Lautsprecher 4.
Live web access globe showing Europe Africa DeepSeek AI wins. Can access real-time data. Crossmark ChatGPT loses. No live web search in free version.
Loudspeaker final verdict? DeepSeek AI is an excellent AI search engine for finding accurate, real-time information. But if you need creative writing, coding, or deep conversations, ChatGPT is still the king. How to use DeepSeek AI? Step-by-step guide, studio microphone narrator, friendly step-by-step tone. Want to try DeepSeek AI? It's super simple. White heavy checkmark step 1. Go to deepseek.com. White heavy checkmark step 2. Type your question just like Google. White heavy checkmark step 3. Get a direct answer. No need to open multiple links. Directed narrator. That's it. You're now using one of the most advanced AI search engines in the world. Pushpin visual. Screen recording of DeepSeek AI in action. Future of AI search. What's next? Studio microphone narrator. Excited thought-provoking tone. Artificial intelligence is evolving fast. Soon, AI search engines like DeepSeek will replace traditional Google searches. But the question is, are we ready for this future? Magnifying glass tilted left. Will AI-powered search engines completely replace Google? Magnifying glass tilted left. Is AI the future of information? Magnifying glass tilted left and. Can DeepSeek become smarter than ChatGPT? Narrator. Confident, engaging. So what do you think about DeepSeek AI? Is it the future of search? Or is it just another AI hype? Speechal and comment your thoughts below. Bell, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to InfoHub by Optob for more AI updates.